Sharing a Google Calendar with others is a straightforward process that enables easy scheduling and coordination. Here's how to do it. Open Google Calendar. Go to Google Calendar and log in with your Google account. Select the calendar to share. In the left panel, find the calendar you want to share under My Calendars. Hover over the calendar name, click on the 3 vertical dots and select Settings and Sharing. Share with specific people. Scroll down to the Share with specific people section. Click Add People and enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the calendar with. Choose the level of access you want to grant. See only free or busy. They can see when you're available but not the details of events. See all event details. They can view all event details but not make changes. Make changes to events. They can add and edit events. Make changes and manage sharing. They have full control, including sharing the calendar with others. Click Send to share the calendar. The recipients will receive an email invitation to view or edit the calendar based on the permissions you set. Share publicly. If you want to make your calendar public, go to the Access Permissions for Events section. Check the box Make Available to Public and choose the level of details to share. Use the provided public URL to share the calendar with a broader audience.